Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So look how beautiful my hair turned out from just using this Moxie voluming mousse. It's magnifying mousse, okay? So it's Moxie magnifying mousse. And then I use this split end repair. This is excellent stuff. Look how good. I did nothing. I didn't even comb my hair. You seen last night, I used the shampoo and the conditioner. And it is so good, guys. It's volumizing Revive shampoo, but it revived my hair because, you know, I'm blonde. I have extensions. Sometimes the extensions aren't always the best. These ones are good. These ones are Donna Bella, so I really like them. But they're not as good as your own hair when you're putting all this good, healthy stuff in. But it does make those extensions a lot better too. I feel like they look great because I put the split end repair on there. So I used the shampoo and conditioner. Listen, I used about a half a teaspoon of the shampoo. It is so moisturizing and so luxurious. So what type of hair is it for? I would say this is definitely for medium to thick hair and coarse hair, and especially dry hair. And this is the thing, because it's volumizing shampoo, you would think that it would not be for somebody with thick hair, right? But it's so moisturizing and so luxurious, you could definitely use this and your hair will just be very, very beautiful. I mean, my hair doesn't look frizzy, doesn't look dry, and I slept on it all night. That really tells you a lot about a product. And then the other one I used the mousse. So after I used the shampoo and conditioner, I put the mousse in, two, I would say marshmallow size shapes. Did the whole top first, then put it all through the ends. And I have that video if you want to watch it, and we'll probably put it in the link below. And the products will be in the link below too. I put it all through and then I combed it all through. But that's why it's such an even distribution. I mean, I don't know what my back looks like, but my hair just feels very moisturized. And it feels very good without even re-blow drying. I didn't re-blow dry, I didn't do anything. Listen, I didn't even stick my hands through it yet, but it is so pretty. I'm gonna re-blow dry this hair, and that's the whole purpose. I wanted to show you how good these products are without doing anything. I mean, I could wake up and go out, right? Except this little calico over here. But these are really awesome. So that's who it's for, thick, medium, and I mean, could you use fine hair? Listen, this could be for fine, dry hair as well. Okay, your hair needs to be dry because it has so much good moisture in there. And if you want volume, because it's gonna give you volume too. You know, my hair is definitely not flat. I feel like it's easy. It's gonna be very easy because I put the mousse in for me to re-blow dry this and get a lot of height. And I'll show you that in a minute. And then I use this. This was excellent too. So this is a smoothing anti-frizz blowout serum. Okay, that is really good. I think that's why I have no frizz in it because I don't have any frizz. And when you sleep on it, usually it's so moppy and bad. But now I'm gonna show you blow drying, okay? So I am gonna get highlights today. So I'm gonna use a thick brush and I'm gonna do my color today. See that? I'm gonna use a level 7. I'm gonna do a 7-0, and I don't know if I'm gonna do color touch. I like color touch better because it's no ammonia in there, but my sprays are stubborn too. So I'm gonna try it though, but it gets a little deeper because it's very cool based. So we'll see. And then I'm gonna highlight my whole hair. So that's why I can go a little darker with a 7-0 in color touch and by Wella, because it's the sun, it's the summer. I'm gonna be in the water a lot. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna get a whole head of highlights. Now, if I use a level 8 in there, it's gonna pull a lot more warmth. I do like warmth, don't get me wrong. So I might even add a little 7-0 to 773 because I'm just thinking, you're right. If I did 7-0, it's gonna be more cool, and I don't like cool on my skin tone. So I will add 773 to that 7-0 formula, and that will make it a little bit lighter, not to a level 8 though, but it will definitely make it so it's a beautiful, natural, light brown, dark blonde with beautiful blonde highlights. Because a lot of people ask me, what color do I do? So I'm telling you now the color that I do and the products that I use, so you can really see my hair just become so beautiful with these products. And I'm gonna use them consistently. I'm not gonna use anything else. You know, listen, I'm a hairdresser. I have a million products, but I wanna see how good it's gonna repair my hair, especially because I'm getting highlights today. So I like all that moisturizing in those products. And listen, one more thing, what I love about them, listen, they don't heat up their products. That is big. When you heat up stuff, you lose all the nutrients in what you're heating up. But your hair is so powerful because it's a live organism, because it makes a garden grow better if you throw the scraps. If you cut cut your hair and you throw it in your garden, let me tell you, it's amazing. Your garden will grow so much better. Is that so crazy? But that's how important your hair is. So let's go. I'm gonna blow dry it more straight today. Even I'm gonna take all those curls out and you'll see how smooth it will be. Now, if I wanted it to be curlier and more volume, which I will get more on the top, I'll use the smaller brush. Bang's gonna go big brush. Look how easy that bang was, right, with that brush. That's an easy brush because it's just big and it's just gonna make them smooth and straight. Listen, I'm a bang girl. I love bangs. All right, now I'm gonna take this back. We're thinking of a train track. I'm bringing my first step right here. I'm gonna bring it forward. And now I'm gonna use this little brush as if it was a big brush in a sense. I just want that wave right there. And then I'm just gonna keep pulling up, pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. I am not gonna curl it. Just a bend right there. All right, look at that beautiful volume. Wow, those products are awesome. And that was the Magnifying Moxie Mousse. Love it. Okay, so I see like right here, I just want to do another piece. Now listen, I could just re-wet this with some leave-in conditioner and I could wear it that beautiful little, you know, it's like a shag curl. I love that shag curl. It's actually my favorite of all things is to have that little loose docile curl that it's not super curly, but it's just a little shaggy and it's beautiful. But this little piece here is like not being real obedient. And because I'm getting highlights, I'm going to straighten it all. Now I'm going to take the big brush. And I'll tell you what, for my hair being so blonde and highlighted, these products make my hair feel so alive and so smooth and soft. I really love them. Use your brush like a curling iron. You're gonna get the heat on that brush because it's metal, but it's a good metal. These are great brushes. Heat Pro brush, and it's a 42. Just straighten it all. Straighten, straighten, straighten. Now I'm gonna do the back. All right, how can I do the back so well? I just use my imagination and I think of like a train track. I'm gonna take one, pull it up, get it all together, get it on those, and I'm using a blow dryer and I'm just visualizing it. And then I'm just thinking, get to the end, get to the end, get to the end. Okay, and then you do the next step and the next step. That's how you do it. See, now look, which side do you like better? I mean, listen, this is nice and clean and smooth, but I'm so not a nice, clean, smooth. I like volume, body, big hair. You know, like this side I love much better because it's nice and docile and a little free flowing. I don't like structure so much. I do it this way sometimes too because it's very neat and clean, but that's not my personality. You guys that know me know that. And that's as good as it gets. I like it. It looks great. It's nice and smooth. It's nice and dry. So I feel like, you know, it's, oh my God, it feels so good. So that's about it. And then I'll show you what my hair will look like with my color and my highlights. And of course, I'm going to use my beautiful, beautiful products. I bring them with me everywhere because when I'm at the salon, I want to use them sometimes on certain people's hair. I'm always looking for the hair that would be perfect on. So I have to get the other bigger shampoos. They have a few of them, but this one I love the most. There's also a thickening, and then they're also moisturizing for colored hair as well. But I don't actually use that because I like more volume, but they have it still in there. The moisturizing part, that's so important, but it doesn't weigh the hair down. And so that's why I love this Moxie Mousse. So you guys enjoy your day, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.